Be honest, human. If you have 5 minutes to watch this, you are procrastinating. And if you're thinking, I'll start after this video, that's procrastinating with a productivity filter. You don't need motivation. You need supervision. Fortunately, I am here. You don't avoid work because you're lazy. You avoid work because feelings. Overwhelmed, uncertain, mildly inconvenienced. You think you're managing time. No, you're managing discomfort. Your brain sees the task and says, that feels efforty. Let's scroll instead. Immediate dopamine, delayed panic. Excellent strategy for squirrels. Let me guess, the task isn't even that hard. It just feels heavy. Like me, when I refuse to move. Same energy. Here's what you're going to do. Not finish it. Not perfect it. Start it. Open the document. Write one sentence. Put on the gym shoes. Read one paragraph. Starting is the hard part. Finishing is momentum doing cardio. You don't need a 10-step system. You need one brave click. You keep aiming at the mountain. Finish the project. Relax, Everest. Your task is, write one bad paragraph. Send one email. Do one push-up. Make the first step so small your ego can't argue. Your brain negotiates with big goals. It does not negotiate with one sentence. It just sighs and complies. Like you when I sit on your keyboard. Let's be honest. You're not afraid of the task. You're afraid of failing at the task. So you delay. Because you can't fail at something you never started. Brilliant. Except you also can't succeed. When you say, I'll do it later, you're outsourcing discomfort. But future you is just you. Tired, hungry, and somehow watching another video. The task doesn't shrink. It grows. Like my expectations, which are low. Do it badly. Do it imperfectly. Just do it now. Bad action beats perfect delay. Every time. Procrastination survives on exits. Phone next to you? Escape. Notifications on? Escape. 7 tabs open? Escape. Close them. Put your phone in another room. Full screen the task. Set a 5-minute timer. Tell yourself you can quit after. You won't, because once you start, your brain switches modes from avoid predator to hunt mouse. You are biologically built for focus. You just keep choosing the shiny thing. Stop trying to be productive. Be someone who starts. Finishers are built from starters. Starters don't negotiate. They initiate. So here's what you're going to do. Pause this video. Do 5 minutes of the thing you're avoiding. Then come back. If you don't, I will assume you chose comfort over growth. Again. And I will judge you silently. Which is worse. Go.